Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Come to think of it, I actually never did a proper channel introduction, but guess what? That's also not why I'm here today. Right now I'm in Hangzhou. This is the company hotel. I'm here for 4 days, just filling the time. I'm very lucky, it's extremely nice weather, sunshine every day. Just went out and purchased the DJI Pocket 3 after 2 days of deliberation and checking videos online. As you might have noticed from my latest videos, I've been trying to do some aviation videos about flying single-engine pistons in Europe. I've been filming with my phone and I've been trying to get the audio right, but it hasn't been ideal. The intercom signal is way too strong for the setup that I'm using. And after some research, I was kind of doubting between the DJI Action Cam 6 and this one, which I'm currently filming on, the Pocket 3. So today I finally took the decision and decided to buy the Pocket 3. And hopefully I'll be able to use it in the aircraft as well and make it work with the intercom and the sound levels and the interference and the high vibration environment. But anyway, it's going to be a big searching process. So I'm just going to upload a quick video today about purchasing the Pocket 3. And yeah, so what I got is the Pocket 3 Creator Set, just because it has a microphone included, and also the battery pack, which is useful, and also the little converter. If I don't want to use the battery pack, I can plug it in on the back and put it on the mount in the plane somehow, and then, okay, but I still have to figure it out, as I said. So that's going to be for another time. So let me cut right to the footage. I did not use any filters yet, any other lenses, and it's basically just a test of what the camera can do out of the box. So yeah, here's a video of me purchasing the camera and driving around Hangzhou back to the hotel. Enjoy. Okay, hello.
Hello.
Thank you for buying of the
welcome.
camera. Oh, it doesn't work. Now it works. Yes, okay. Gimbal rotated. Alright, let's go explore. So now let's go try out this Pocket 3 cam that I've read and researched so much about. And now I have my phone free and a better sensor for low lights. It looks pretty bright actually, yeah. Let's turn around, try to find my bicycle. Some KFC, yeah, not so hungry yet. Here's my bike. See, it's beautiful blue bike, driving around Hangzhou with. It's quite easy. So see, now I can film and use my phone at the same time. We have basically Alipay. You can do anything with this app in China. Scan the bike. Normally it should say hello Daichong. Press the blue button. I have no idea what it says. Press the blue button again, I guess. Now I have to enter my code. Let's just do that off screen here. I still owe 150. It's so cheap. Hello Daichong, that's what I wanted to hear. Now, let's go. Ooh, better look behind me. Oh, the lighting looks really good. Okay, let's see. I better wear my strap, because it can be dangerous driving with this handheld. Okay, no traffic behind. Let's go. So let's try this auto tracking feature while on the move. I'm also using the microphone with the wind blocker. Not sure how good it is. Let's turn this thing around. Lighting seems really good. I can do some panning shots. I also have the wide-angle lens, but this is the original. Let's see, driving over some bumps. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. Somebody wants to go the wrong way. Okay, let's try. As I said, I was gonna try the auto tracking. So I double click my face, auto track enabled. Turn it left, turn it right. That is tracking my face. Okay, let's see, where did I have to go here? I can actually go left, I think. Or is it too soon? Well, we're about to find. Oh, it's already red. Oops. Mihal, sorry. There we go. Whoops. That was a bit on the edge. Just keep left until all these guys pass me here. Always an adventure. Let's try flipping the camera upside down. What does that do? Let's pass this guy. So it seems to be pointing forward. That's good. I can't hold my phone to check the image. What I can try to do is tilt it, focus it on my little bicycle, I'll twist it to the right. You know, I could go to the right as well. I don't know if that's a good road anyway. Let's do it. It's always good to explore. And flip it back up. All right, I'll check how that goes. If I point it down a bit. Well, I'm getting closer to the area which is called the Hangzhou West Lake. It's a touristic area of Hangzhou. And good timing, it just became green. As you can see, it's getting really busy. So you have the lake over there in the background, and you can see the amount of people over here. It's just insane. I always wanted to do a bike ride here. This is a path that goes along the lake, but it's always so full of people that it's impossible. So instead I'm driving on the main road, not to kill myself. I'll be stuck the whole time. Whoop! Gotta be careful here. You see how busy the car traffic is getting around this area. Everything is stuck. Up ahead, there's a huge shopping area, which looks quite modern and with a lot of upscale stores. You got all your European upscale brands, Dior and Dolce Gabbana and all that shit. A bit too much up. So yeah, just trying to weave my way through here. Yeesh. Okay, it's always diving behind cars, between bicycles. It's just masses and masses of people. Oh, good brakes. What I forgot to mention is it's Saturday evening, and that's why it's so busy as well. But I mean, I was here on a Wednesday, and it was almost about the same. So I just turned the corner there, and some dragon fruits here. Man, those things smell. I usually try to keep up with the electric scooters, because these Chinese, one thing about them is they drive so slow. They do everything really slow. The pace of walking is really slow. I guess they are here to enjoy themselves, so look at this lady over here. She's wearing the traditional dress, and I'm actually not sure what the idea is. Anyway, wearing my cap now because it's gotten really fresh. Excuse me. Yes, you're going to be on YouTube. The taxi trying to get through. No, don't stop. Don't let him. Yeah. So here on the right there's a night market street, but you're not allowed to drive your bicycle in there. So maybe I'll have to do that on foot. We're just going to continue down the road. So I'm going to go 1 block over and then turn right, and then I'll be close to the hotel. Yeah, I turned it off too soon actually, because this is pretty funny. This is the the fake market, let's say, fake clothing. Let me see if I can spot some funny brands here. Let me see. I just take this little road. So what do we have? Oh yeah, of course that one. Let's see if I can zoom in. Of course we got a polo walk over there. I don't know if you can read it. Inherent, Paulo Pedro, Dhaka shell. Last time there was a really funny one, but I can't remember the name now. That's some nice street food. Well, anybody want some sausage? What is this thing? No idea. Wow, that's one bright commercial screen, man. That's crazy. It's lighting up the whole square. Okay, you're all just waiting for the light. Another cool thing about Hangzhou is they don't only have these nice bicycle paths everywhere, they also have these pedestrian overpasses, as you can see here on the right. And if they don't have an overpass, they have a tunnel. You see, this is actually a whole system. All 4 corners are covered. Yeah, stop honking at me. So that makes it really nice to get by. But with the bicycle, of course, you have to wait for one light after the other. So I'm coming up now on the busiest intersection in Hangzhou. I'm not sure if it's this one. No, it's the one after that. So you can see by the number of bicycles parked here and the number of people that are slowly accumulating. But this is a busy place. You can see all the fancy shopping malls, I wanted to say. And yep, the next crossing, it's pedestrian only, so there's a huge Tokyo style. Wow, looks like everyone's done shopping. Look at this. Yeah, busy, barely able to get through with my bicycle. Everyone's done their shopping and going home, I guess, I don't know. Okay, it's gonna take me a while to get there. Cheapers. Okay, be right back. I'm just gonna try to get up to those red lights there. It proves to be difficult. So I've made it to the lights, and yeah, you see all the pedestrians over here, and now you can actually see the crosswalk pattern here in the middle. And I'm just gonna, yeah, there we go. I'm gonna cross to the left because I'm not allowed to go straight. Oh, I don't think I'm allowed to drive the bicycle. Just go on foot. Jeez. Just gonna wait. It's not even possible see all these people, man. It is insane. Now it's red for them, but nobody gives a shit. Let's follow this, this person. Because why not? Police guy is just... I don't know what they can do, actually. What do you do against 5,000 people? Oh, I made it. Okay, now I need to go that way. Yeah, go a bit faster, bro. Oh. Everyone's just walking on the cycling path, so can't pass. Oh well. Guess I'll just adjust to their speed. Almost home. Cheapers. Oh, almost got knocked over here. And another car. Guess I'll let him go. No? Okay. Sheesh. Okay, so one last test in extremely low lights. There's street lights above me, but they're blocked by the trees. And it's pretty dark here. Let's... Yep, green light for me. Just go for it. Actually, the hotel's on the other side, so I gotta stop here, I guess. Does it return to active tracking? No, it does not. Whew, almost made it. Gonna park my bike right there across. Head to my room and then, yeah, download everything and upload everything. See how it looks. Scan again because I closed it. There we go. Let's give it a second to localize, finalize. Yeah, put it back in the zone. That's what I did. Yeah, that's not the phone, that's the bike talking. All right, so we made it back to the hotel and just gonna have a look. Okay, too bad. So this lighting again, it's a big white light to my left here. Keep looking at the screen instead of the camera. That's something I have to learn. And here we go. Yeah, the images look quite good, a little bit overexposed actually. Nice mirrory elevator, full of mini-me's. Maxi-me's. Okay, here we are. Let's see how the hallway lighting is doing. Oh, this scene is very dark. I think even my phone would be struggling. Straighten the thing. Yeah, the lights on the ground seem brighter than what they are in real life. So these were my first impressions of the Pocket 3. I must say I'm quite impressed with the standard image quality. Of course, if you display it on a big screen and it's not 4K, maybe it will be not optimal. It's of course not a DSLR camera, but for the size of that thing, I must say I'm quite impressed. So this was just a video where I was checking out the Pocket 3 camera on the fly, trying out different things. And actually I did some editing just now for in about 1 hour. I did all the editing of this video in the app on my phone, and I have to say it was quite intuitive, and there's also some funny options in there, as you might have noticed. So yeah, I'm looking forward to discovering more with this camera and to see what it does. So thanks for tuning in, and catch you on the next video. Thanks.